Amidst the lush foliage, the white-cheeked gibbons have also mastered the art of finding happiness in the little things. They relish in the vibrant fruits and tender leaves that nature provides, savoring each bite with an evident sense of appreciation. Even grooming sessions take on a playful tone as they meticulously groom each other, not only maintaining their hygiene but also reinforcing their bonds. One of their most enchanting traits is their harmonious singing. As the day winds down, their mellifluous melodies fill the forest. Their duets are a declaration of love and connection, resonating through the treetops and uniting the group. These songs aren't just beautiful,